Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to get GitHub profile link. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to github.com. Log into your GitHub account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Repository option. This will open a new page where you can start a new project on GitHub. Now give your repository a name. It can be anything like Portfolio or My Project. Optionally, add a description. Then choose the visibility, public or private. When you're ready, click Create Repository. After creating the repository, you'll be taken to a page with some setup options and code instructions. But that's not where your profile link is. Now, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Your Profile from the drop-down menu. You'll now be on your GitHub profile page. Simply copy the URL from the address bar. That's your GitHub profile link. It should look like github.com/your username. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.